kākou, mahalo nui. O mākou noa ka halau nā kamalei o lile lehua, o wau no ke kumu no ke ia hui. I've been teaching hula for a while now. Actually, this is the 43rd year of my halau. I must say that I think it's very interesting to be old. And the concept of it, especially when there's so many young teachers now, I kind of like it. I strut a little bit more dignified. Maybe it's a little bit too show-offish, but I figure how long am I going to wait till I'm 80? These guys have been with me, some of them from almost the very beginning, and they span quite a few, anyway, let's not even talk about that. But I have people that, one in particular, the oldest one here tonight as far as being in halau would be Gunny over here, Alva. And then the youngest would have to be Parker over there. So we are here this evening by invitation of Keoho, which we enjoy so much because actually the two brothers dance for me too. So I'm sort of like pretty honored to be with you all tonight. Those dances were for the gods first, you know, the first and most foremost right now being Pele. Now this is Kaiko. His professional name is Kona Kaiko. And he's pretty well known for being an MC for weddings and all those kinds of things, you know. He's also a teacher at St. Louis High School, and I know, please don't hold that against him. And he is just one of the nicest guys I could ever teach. So he's going to do a mele for you right now using the uli uli that he made. I'm not real good about giving my guys projects to do, because I'm not really good at them myself. But I'm really happy to say that he did make this one. So with that said, please, young.
I kueko oli oli kipa. Kueko oli oli. Kueka oli oli na mukula. Kuakawa ineru na lilolai. Kueko oli oli. Kueka oli oli na mukula. Kuakawa ineru na lilolai. Kiali. Keali imana onui iala, ena lehu apolai. Keali imana onui iala, ena lehu apolai. Mai Hawaii ia kaua ila, ni hau I kamole o le hualai. Mai Hawaii ia kaua ila, ni hau I kamole o le hualai. O ka wehi moe o ke kapula, mai o kuhuna loa mai lai. O ka wehi moe o ke kapula, mai o kuhuna loa mai lai. Ua kau I ka noho ka launula, ai ai kangani ki e lai. Ua kau I ka noho ka launula, ai ai kangani ki e lai. Ai na kia mai ka puanala, o ka lani luna lilo he inoa lai. Ai na kia mai ka puanala, o ka lani luna lilo he inoa lai. Inoa no luna lilo.